we're here to test, and we're not gonna be able to get much video today because the river, it's been raining for days, and the river is just full of logs, just full of them. I mean, there's trees floating down the river. And this is the only place we go to test. Everything else is way too far. So like there's a bunch of trees. Oh yeah, there goes a buoy up there. So anyways, we're gonna get some GoPro footage for you guys and some phone footage from the docks, but not a good day to test. So it looks like we'll be getting more lake action on the other skis that we build, because this is just bad. Just nasty. All right, we'll see you out there. All right, so that'll wrap up this episode or build series of the XP800. On the next one, we're going to be doing the ski that's standing behind us. It's a 99 SPX. It's going to be a full limited race build, so be sure to tune in for that one. We appreciate all the support and hopefully you learned something from this series.
Yeah, and if you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to add that in the comment section below. We'll try to get back to you if you guys have any issues with that. Also, we just want to thank you guys for getting us to 1,000 subscribers, which we didn't think that would happen considering it's us two lunatics in a garage.
Yeah.
So because of that, we teamed up with Super Clean,
yeah.
and we're gonna do a little giveaway. So we'll figure out the details on that, but we are gonna give away a Super Clean bundle, which is basically all the products that we use in these videos to help clean, detail, strip decals, get rid of residue, things like that. Look forward to seeing that. We'll put out some information regarding that, and
I think we just do it as like if you like the channels and you're not subscribed already, subscribe, because we're just gonna go through our subscribers and randomly pick one that's on our list.
Perfect. So there you go. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the like button, all that good stuff, and we'll do a random drawing. Maybe we'll do it live so people know we're not cheating.
Yeah.
We'll ship out a Super Clean bundle. So.
Cool.
Appreciate
As always, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one.